Good day, everyone. I'm Mike Eilertson from Meta-dology.com. We thought we'd do a quick overview presentation for you just to understand why we've requested your architectural plans and Revit models so that we can give the developer and their overall understanding of their project a lot more clarity. I'm going to dive right in and give you a quick overview of how we're going to be utilizing it. So as I mentioned, our company is Meta-dology.com, and we really set out to solve the challenge on how developers, architects, construction firms, and buyers are sometimes expected to make some of the biggest financial decisions of their lives, limited with, 4 pieces of paper, a property brochure, a site map, architect's plan, and a mood board. And yet you're expected to understand what that project is going to look like. And we've really set out to change that, allowing these models to be instantly accessed, no software installation, no application download, just a simple click from any channel anywhere in the world, and the developer is able to look through a project looking like this. So this is the type of models that we build, and we build these as rapid prototypes, getting there in a few days or weeks. And just give you a little bit of clarity on the model itself. You can walk around the model, seeing it from every single angle. We can see the type of technical output that is being achieved in terms of the aluminium frames, and really just getting a sense of the overall space. But when we talk about realism, the leather looks like leather. The grain of wood can actually be seen in huge detail. But most importantly, the developer can actually interact with the model. They can change the floors to see different finishes. They can play around with the physics of the space because we map the sun to the given location, even allowing lighting effects to be able to play out given the amount of light that actually comes into the space. You can see some of the playing around with various finishes here, and I won't spend too much longer on this. I just want to give you an overall sense of how we operate and use this. Not only can we explore the model in detail, but we get the exact views that come out of this model, being able to explore the development, not just the development, but the surrounding area. So every inch of the development, every inch of the building, every inch of the amenities can be explored in detail, and we even go further than that, allowing the surrounding area to be leveraged. The point that we try to offer is we've really harnessed and perfected the age of AI scanning and various visualization tools. And the point really is to provide 3 layers of clarity for the developers at large. The first is the ability to give them a rapid prototype. And this is really combining the surrounding areas of their development with your exact architectural plans and Revit models. So for the first 3 days, we scan the surrounding area. We drag and drop your Revit model into its exact contextual environment. We map the sun to that location, and this results in real-time views and the ability for the developer to explore the area and explore their building from multiple different contexts. And in this scenario, we've just done a quick scan of the city of Cape Town in South Africa, and this will show you exactly what we do. So this is under 4 hours of work. We've used Google satellites to scan the whole city. We've literally dragged and dropped the Revit model into the city. And what's interesting over here is we now instantly get the ability to have views. We get the ability to get a total understanding of the Revit model and your architectural plan in context to its surrounding environment, with the ability to play around with the sun and see the given lighting impact that it will have on a given date or time of day. You can see our ability to explore the area is massive. So again, just allowing the developer to have a lot more clarity around the project and just make a little bit more informed decisions without so much just back and forth from your side. Moving on a little bit, a second bit is that we really allow a major amount of alignment and real-time cost planning saving, because the fact is that we really want to get the project to market as quickly as possible. The idea really over here is to get everyone on the same page. And because changes can be made in real time, this allows both you, the architect, the subcontractors, the construction team, the civil engineers to all collaborate in real time on the model. And I just pulled up a quick example to show you what that looks like. This is a model where we've received the Revit files, we've put the textures in, We can rip the roof off the building, we map the sun, we can play around with textures. But as an example, maybe you want to make a suggestion of adding a wall. We can literally, in the meeting with you, add the wall and allow you and the developer to get immediate context of how that wall could look, put the roof back on, play around with lighting in the environment, put furniture in and around, and make more informed decisions on that space. And then lastly is really at a later stage in the project is being able to give massive amounts of contextual information to really mobilize the construction team. The idea behind this is that we can really peel away electrical conduit, peel away layers to unveil electrical conduit, water pipes, air vents, pulling over stack loads of other information, GIS information, demographical insights, utility grids, municipal zoning, even down to the technical layers of the model. And I'm just going to take you through a very quick example of this. This is a project we involved in Copenhagen with a major amount of architectural firms and construction companies. You can see we scanned Copenhagen. We brought the revit model of the subway in its raw format. We then go in and we can add textures and run weather simulations so we can see where water will gather and the various effects of various simulations that we can run. But lastly, and most importantly, we can peel back this information and peel back these layers so we can remove the actual surrounding area. We can move the concrete layers and get down to technical information. So the more information we get from you, the better this can be utilized and the more information we can get. So to tie that up and bring it back to what this all means is that we really want to be able to bring your model to life, bringing your ideation, bringing your ideas to fruition so the architect can, so the developer can best enjoy and experience it. Thanks for your time. Really great. We're looking forward to working with all of you. Just wanted to give you a little bit more information to what that is all about and looking forward to seeing how we can collaborate together on this project.